Okay, so we'll just check over for any sort of artifacts. So what we've got, actually we'll just close Photomatic, that's probably causing all sorts of chaos. Alrighty, now let's just go into here. So as you can see, so there's some, pretty ugly sort of artifacts going on here. So that's when we'll just get our clone tool happening, use the bracket, make it a bit smaller. Okay, so sort of just get in there. Well, we got a 39, that should be alright. Alrighty, so just sort of, and when you use the clone tool, you sort of select different parts and, just smooth it out a bit. Ugly. Okay, so that's just a little bit of, a little bit of working around, but just, as I said, it's all those, little 1-2%ers that make the difference, so we'll just clean that up a little bit. Okay, so there we go, so that edge has been nice and cleaned up. Alrighty, so yeah, that's cool, man. I'm pretty much happy with this as a final image. There is, okay, so there's still, a little bit of an issue. So we've got a bit of kind of haloing almost going on down the bottom here, so that's not desirable. So that's an easy fix. So we'll just go our crop tool and we will zoom right in to this one. And again, the crop tool moves based on how far you zoomed in. It's kind of got like a snapping effect. So we'll just bring that up there. Okay, zoom out. Alright, so let's fix that halo kind of effect. So again, these are just some minor tweaks, but it makes a difference, Yeah, so this is your final image right here. So we'll save as save. And we'll just crank it open in the actual. Okay, so that is our final image complete. So thanks guys for doing the course, and I hope you learned a little bit today. And yeah, have fun with the Photoshop and image editing and post processing, and hope you enjoyed the course. Thank you very much and have a great day.